Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of Resveratrol, a supplement that's getting a lot of attention for its potential health benefits. What is Resveratrol? Well, it's a natural compound found in grapes, red wine, and some berries. It's been studied extensively for its possible role in treating various conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and aging. But how does it work its magic? Resveratrol acts as a powerful antioxidant, like a shield for our cells against damage. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which could help lower the risk of chronic diseases. Now let's talk about how to take. The initial dose that's usually recommended is between 250 and 500 milligrams per day. However, it's best to start slowly with a low dose and gradually increase it. You can take it with or without food, although some people find it easier on their stomach to take it with a meal to avoid any potential discomfort. As with any supplement, it's important to be aware of the possible side effects. Some users have experienced stomach pain, nausea, and tiredness. It's extremely important to talk to a healthcare professional before you start taking resveratrol, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking other medication. In short, resveratrol can be a great ally for your health, but the key is to use it responsibly. Always seek the advice of a doctor and adjust the dosage to your needs. That's all for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on more health content. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.